Here in our navbar component, we have a single reference to the props object. Sometimes when working with a more complex markup, we might have multiple references to the props. We don't want to repeat props dot props dot props dot several times. So we can use object destructuring to destructure this props argument. In this particular example, we are interested in the total counters property of this object. So we can destructure this argument and pick the total counters property. First, we add parentheses, then we use curly braces for object destructuring, and then pick the properties we're interested in, like total counters. With this, we can remove props dot, and this simplifies our code. Similarly, if you look at the counters component, you can see here we have several references to this.props. We can simplify this code by using object destructuring. So here in the render method, just before the return statement, I'm going to define a constant, use object destructuring to pick the properties of the props object we're interested in. The first one is onReset, so we pick that. The second one is counters. Let's add that here. We also need onDelete and onIncrement. So onDelete and onIncrement, we pick all of these from this.props. Now, anywhere we have this.props dot, we can replace all of those with nothing. And this makes our code cleaner.